Hello, good morning. It's me, Teacher Yolanda. Today, we are going to have a look at how to talk about an event. Remember, we are in Unit 4 and this is Lesson 4. If we want to talk about an event, we usually have to use the past simple tense, okay? Remember, in this case, is what did you do at the weekend? We could also say, what did you do yesterday? Or what did you do last summer? For example, what did you do last holidays? Or what did you do at Christmas? In this case, what she says is, I went to a play. You could also say, I went to the cinema. I went to the park. Here we have more examples. If you see here, we've got I went to a play, a film, an exhibition, a concert. Did you enjoy it? ¿Te gustó? Yes, I did. It was fantastic. But maybe you didn't. So you can say, no, I didn't. It was bad, boring, sad, long, terrible. Or yes, I did. It was good, funny, lively, fantastic. What was your favorite part? I liked the costumes. They were colorful. Maybe you can also say, I like the story, script, the music, special effects, costumes, pictures, and characters. It was good, funny, lively, colorful, fantastic, friendly. Or they were good, funny, lively, colorful, fantastic, or friendly. So this is quite easy to just have to remember the past was, did, okay? Did you do, I went to, okay? I liked in the past. It was, they were, and then you must use the words that belong to, for example, play, film, exhibition, concert. So it's not really difficult to use. And this is a short dialogue. We can also practice in class. And what you're going to do is in your activity book, okay, on page 41, you see here, at home, you must complete activity 1, read and complete. You complete the sentences with the verbs in the past. Here, read and complete the dialogue. So it's more or less what I have explained you. What did you do at the weekend? I went. So then you have to complete using the words on this box. And then you must match the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, with the boxes. Tick the correct film. So just tick the ones you think, okay? And number 3, what did you do at the weekend? Make notes for you. Ask and answer. This is an example, as in the book, in the class book. And you are going to talk about 2 events you had already done. Maybe you went to the cinema, you watched a film, maybe you read a book, or you went to a party. And here you are going to complete with your favorite part and maybe if you like it or not, okay? And then you complete learn to learn. We are going to check this in class, so you must do the page, okay? So if you have any doubts, I'm going to solve your doubts or the things you don't understand in class next day. I'm going to say it now in Spanish for you to make clear that you understood what I said. El próximo día en clase aclararé las dudas sobre la explicación de aquella parte del classbook y corregiremos estos ejercicios, ¿vale? por lo tanto deben hacerlo. La explicación no es muy complicada, tienen varios ejemplos, pueden escuchar el vídeo tantas veces como necesiten y por favor practiquen el diálogo, que no es muy complicado, y hagan los ejercicios porque los vamos a corregir en clase, ¿vale? Venga, ánimo. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.